10th class students, today we start with exercise 14b. So before that, a very good morning to you all and your parents. I hope you are doing good, staying well, staying fit. Also your study should go side by side. The revision should start. At the end, schools will open in July or August. Then if you are revising constantly, then you won't feel any problem. Otherwise, you have to appear in first term exam. So revision is very important for you. Hope you start revision side by side, and if you face any problem in revision, you can't come across any problem, any question that you can't solve, then tell me on my WhatsApp number, or you can comment in the YouTube video. I will see and I will solve it for you. Thank you very much. Let us start exercise 14b. Find the slope of the line whose inclination is. So slope is, to find slope, you have done it in 9th class also. So I won't go into the details. You have done it in 9th class also. If angle is given, then slope is tan theta. If 2 points are given, a point is passing through 2 points A and B, then slope of AB, generally we denote it by M. M of AB, slope of AB is x2 minus x1 upon y2 minus y1. So there are two methods to find slope. If angle is given, then I find tan theta. If 2 points are given from which the line is passing, then slope of the line is x2 minus x1. This is x1, y2 minus y1. So these two formulae you must remember. Then we have to remember that slopes of parallel lines are equal. Slopes of parallel lines are equal. If AB is parallel to CD, then MAB is equal to MCD. The two lines are parallel, their slopes are equal. If AB is perpendicular to CD, the two lines are perpendicular, then multiplication of their slopes is equal to minus 1. If two lines are perpendicular to each other, then multiplication of the slopes is equal to minus 1. These two things you also should keep in mind, because we will be using it very frequently in this chapter, equation of line. Slopes of parallel lines are equal, and if lines are perpendicular to each other, then the multiplication of the slopes is minus 1. Then we talk about negative slope. The slope is tan of the angle that a line makes with x-axis. Suppose this angle is 45 degree, then slope will be tan 45 degree. It is equal to 1. But if line goes like that, so slope is the angle that is made by a line with the positive side of x-axis, not negative side. So to this side x-axis is negative, to this side x-axis is positive. So we have to take angle that is positive. Suppose this is 135, then I don't know the value of tan 135. I find this angle, this is 45, then it will be minus tan 45. If it is 135, it will become minus tan 45. I will use negative sign if the angle is more than 90 degree with positive side. Then I find angle with the negative side and put negative sign here. I think you might have understood that slope is always with the positive side of x-axis. But if I don't know the value, then I find with the negative side and put the negative sign here. Then slope will become minus 1. So these things we should keep in mind. Now question number 1. Find the slope of the line whose inclination is 30 degree. So theta is 30 degree. Slope is tan theta. That is tan 30 degree. Tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. Tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. Then theta is given as 46 degree. Then slope is tan 46 degrees. From the tables that are given behind your book, you can see that these natural tangents, because it is tan, not natural sine or cos, you find table natural tangents. So I go to 46 degree. 46 degree against 46 degree it is written 1.0355. You can see against 46 it is written 1.0355. Also in third it is given that 72 degree 30 minutes. So go to 72 degree. 72 here, and from here you find 0, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. So 72 degree 30 minute. Below 30 it is written as 1716. So 3.1716. 3 point we take from the first, that is written under 0. So all the numbers will be 3 point something. So it will be 3.1716. So M is tan 72 degree 30 minute. It is 3.1716. This will be the slope. So you must know how to use tables. If still you find any problem, then I will tell you again tomorrow in the next class. Now we will find inclination or theta. Inclination means theta. When value is given, when slope is given. So if M is 0, 0 can be written as tan 0. So inclination or theta will be 0 degree. If M is root 3 is tan 60. Root 3 can be written as tan 60. So theta or inclination is 60 degree. If inclination is line slope is 0.7646. 0.7646. That this I have to see from 0.7646. I have to find from here where it is 0.7646. It is here. It is against 37.24. You can see 7646. It is under 24. So 37 degree 24 minute. So it is M is tan 37 degree 24 minute. So theta is 37 degree 24 minutes. So next you can also do like that. Now find the slope of the line passing through the following following pairs of points. So here x1 and y1, x2, y2 are given. So point A is, I take A minus B. Point B is B minus A. What will be slope? Formula for slope is that 2 points are given. y2 minus y1. Remember, when I have written the slope, I have written x2 minus x1. What it should be? y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. When I told you the formula, I have written it wrongly. x2 minus x1 I have written in the numerator, and this was written in the denominator. But actual formula is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So y2 is minus A, y1 is minus B, x2 is B minus A. So it becomes minus A, minus minus plus, B minus A. This can also be written as B minus A upon B minus A, that is equal to 1. Minus A plus B means B minus A. So these two B minus A cancel, slope will be 1. This is called 2-point slope. Then question number 5. 4 you can do because slopes of parallel lines are equal. Question number 5 I do. Find the slope of the line perpendicular to AB. Let CD is perpendicular to AB. Then MCD into MAB is equal to minus 1. The two lines are perpendicular, then multiplication of the slopes is minus 1. MCD we don't know. What is MAB? A is 3 minus 2. B is minus 2, 4. Then MAB is y2 minus y1, 4 minus minus 2, x2 minus x1, 2 minus 3 equal to minus 1. Slope of CD into minus minus plus 6 upon minus 1 is equal to minus 1. So MCD into minus 6 is equal to minus 1. MCD is minus 1 upon minus 6. It is 1 upon 6. That will be slope that is perpendicular to AB. If they are parallel, then we keep their slopes equal. Then question number 8. Without using the distance formula, show that the points A 4 minus 2, points are A 4 minus 2, B minus 4 4, C 10 6. I have to show that these are the vertices of right angled triangle. So I find slopes of all the lines. MAB. What is slope of AB? 4 minus minus 2, y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. 6 upon minus 8 or minus 3 upon 4. What will be MBC? Slope of BC. y2 minus y1, 6 minus 4, x2 minus x1, minus minus plus, I write directly. So 2 upon 40, 1 upon 7. What is slope of AC? y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, minus minus plus 8 upon 6, 4 upon 3. Now it is minus 3 upon 4, it is 4 upon 3. If I multiply MAB into MAC is minus 3 by 4 into 4 by 3, answer will be minus 1. Now their slopes are having their product minus 1. It implies that AB is perpendicular to AC. If their slopes have their product as minus 1, they will be perpendicular to each other, because if lines are perpendicular, multiplication of the slopes is minus 1. So it implies that if one angle is 90 degree, ABC is right angled triangle. I think you might have got it. Then I do question number 12. I am given a triangle ABC in which AB is parallel to x-axis. AB is parallel to x-axis. So MAB is equal to 0. If line is parallel to x-axis, the slope will be 0. Remember it, if line is parallel to x-axis, its slope will be 0. Then ABC is equilateral triangle. ABC is an equilateral triangle. It means every angle will be 60 degree. So slope of AC MAC is equal to tan 60 degree. It makes angle of 60 degree, that is root 3. What only MBC? Now you see it is making angle of 60 degree with negative side of x-axis. It is making, because these two lines are parallel, corresponding angles will be equal. So it is making angle of 60 degree with negative side, not with positive side. So I put minus sign here. Tan 60 degree, it will be minus of root 3. So with this is question number 12. This is also making angle of 60 degree. You can take like that, you can take here also. So with this we come to end of today's class. Thank you very much. Stay safe, stay inside.